Hello guys, and welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. For today's video, we have a rechargeable camping light. They give you a manual inside here. They give you your charging cable. It is not a Type-C charging cable, so keep that in mind. Alright, so this is it. Nice, solid. Nothing loose inside there. Looks like basically 360-degree rotation light. Comes with, okay, so you can actually pull both of these out, which a little tough to pull that second one out. There we go. So you can actually hang this up or carry it. Okay, and they just push right down in. They are a little tough to pull out, so you might need, a screwdriver or a knife or something just to pull it out, unless you got, oh no, that's not bad. You kind of got to hold it at an angle and kind of twist, and you can pop them right out. You got your charging port right down here. So it's right here, and also USB for charging your phone or device. And on the other side, you have your power button. So by pressing the power, wow. Oh my word, guys, that is bright. Red, flashing red. So you got multiple light modes. And that's it. That's simple. Let's go ahead and test this out with our phone here. So we're going to need a Type-C with the USB. So we plug this in here. There is a battery indicator light as well for charging. And we take this, plug in our phone to make sure it works. So I wonder if this is dead. No, if it was dead. Interesting. Okay, the light works fine. Yeah, so the light works fine. And when the blue lights are on, it says it's a full battery, but it doesn't seem to want to work the USB. No, it just doesn't want to work. It doesn't charge the phone. Well, let's see if it will charge this. Maybe it's not for... Well, it's... Okay, that's strange. So it will charge my power bank. From this is charging our power bank plugged in, but it's not charging our cell phone. Alright guys, so my final thoughts on this. Super bright. I mean super bright. A great camping light. We left this plugged in for probably 2 hours. I mean, it was already charged, but we left it in just to see, and it still does the same thing with the USB. So we plug this in, and we go to plug it in our cell phone to charge, and nothing happens. I mean, if we press the power button, still no charging. So even if the light's on, I don't know. I don't understand it. Don't know a reason. It's not like this is some high-tech, phone. This is Android phone that's new, but it's not super old. And it's not super new, so it should be no reason. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe this one was just effective for that. I mean, it charges our power bank. So if we plug in the same plug, same exact plug, we take it out and plug it in our power bank, it'll charge this, no problem, instantly. I mean, it charges this, and you guys can see that it's charging. So, yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't really know what to say other than the light's amazing, super bright, which is awesome, great camping light, but without it being able to use for your phone, I don't know. I love the light, I love the portability of it, so I guess it's hard to say, because for me personally, that this doesn't charge my phone, it's not that big of a deal, because it does power a power bank. So for me personally, what I would do is I would have this is a solar power bank. I would take this with me, and this would charge this off grid, and also this would charge my cell phone, so I don't really care. So I would have this as our camping light and this for charging the camping light and also charging devices. So for me, it's not a big deal that it doesn't seem to want to work with our Google Pixel. Google Pixel 4a. This works with 99.9% of everything else, so I'm not quite sure why it just doesn't want to charge with this. So that's not a big issue for me. So in my personal opinion, I would give this a 3.5 out of 5 stars. That's my personal opinion because I don't have to use it for charging my phone because I can use it for this. But for somebody that, you specifically want to get this for your phone, if you have the same issue, I recommend returning it if you have the same issue where it's not charging your phone. It could just be my device. It could be, in shipping got knocked around or something. So if you do plug the USB port in here and then plug it in your phone and it's not charging your phone, then you can contact them or go from there. But that's my honest opinion, guys.